What's up, guys? Thank you for coming to another RTE Car Detailing video. And I got the homie right here.
What's up, you guys? My name is Wayne, the owner of Hunter's Mobile Detailing. Tap in.
That's right. How long you been doing this?
I've been doing it 9 months.
Hey, but something I noticed, you went legit right away.
Yes, sir.
You got the van, you got the equipment, you're getting the good reviews, getting those good customers. But in this video, he's gonna share some tips for people who want to start the car detailing business. Maybe some things to avoid. You down for that?
Yes, sir. Let's do it.
All right,
Let's go.
Let's get started. All right, Wayne, what's the first tip you have for people who want to start a car detailing business?
The first tip I got for you guys is don't take too long on a car, because time is money, you guys. So you want to be effective and you want to do the job great, you guys, because once you do one detail and it looks good, then it's going to get your next business. So be effective with the time.
When you started,
right?
You mentioned earlier,
right?
Well, you were staying till 3 in the morning cleaning
Come
cars?
on.
What were you doing over there? You were cleaning the engine or what?
Well, when I first started, you guys, if you haven't started the mobile detailing business, you're gonna understand what I mean. I hope you don't have this problem, but I wanted to get every single thing. And I always felt like I was leaving something. So I would take hours and hours. It would literally take me like 6 hours for just one vehicle. And I was only making $65 to $100, you guys. So get in there, get it done. A lot of the times, what we see, they don't really see. You know what I mean? So we'll be doing all this little extra stuff and then they'll just come, oh my gosh, it's amazing. Most people are not gonna be lifting on, but you do got them people, so make sure you just do a good job all around, you guys.
You know what? I could relate to you because that's the same thing with the t-shirt business. We're our own worst critic because we're like, oh, maybe it could be like a centimeter higher or this and that.
Exactly.
Customer doesn't care as long as you give them a good product.
Exactly.
And great customer service. That's all they care about. Hey,
right.
But let me ask you, you were taking forever on the car. How did you know to start cutting back? Were you like, dang, I'm spending so much? Or did you say, oh, maybe I don't got to focus on this or that?
Well, I mean, for one, I had a mentor, shout out to Lamont, and I was telling him, I didn't know that I was taking too long until he was like, how long is it taking you? Bro, that should only be taking you 1 hour and 30 minutes. So 1 hour and 30 minutes, 5-6 hours, that's way off, you guys. And I was seeing how much money I was making. It wasn't enough in the beginning.
So that's one very good tip right there. Have somebody to maybe bounce ideas off or is in the same business that could relate with you.
Exactly.
That way they could give you advice and help you. Because another thing was the pricing where you were charging too little and you had to raise it?
The crazy part about it, you guys, is I'm still working on my pricing till this day. I got a couple mentors out there. They shout out to me from YouTube and they asked me what my prices are. And we just bounced stuff off each other. And I started off with my prices as low as $45, as low as $35, up and down, too much, too little. Like, you can't listen to everybody. You gotta know your worth, you know what I mean? And I'm almost there with my pricing, you guys. I'm almost there. I'm still gonna raise them a little bit more because I know my worth.
Yeah. Where are you at with your pricing? You wanna raise them more?
I do want to raise it more, yes.
Why don't you?
That's a good question.
Yeah.
Why don't I just raise it right now?
I got good questions, brother.
I guess it would be the confidence. You gotta, a lot of the times we lack the confidence in being nervous or scared that we're gonna lose customers. And during the time I've been raising my prices, out of all, I've done hundreds of vehicles, it's only been about 3 or 4 people that are like, hey, I noticed you keep raising your prices, what's going on? I've never even lost a customer. I went from $35 to charging $65 to $100 for basic cleanings. So that's a big jump, $35 to $100. You know what I mean, for basic cleanings. So.
Hey, but if you have customers that appreciate your work,
exactly.
they'll pay.
Exactly.
And if they trust you and you make it easy for them, money. Another car detailer, the Mexican guy in LA who deals with the Mercedes and all that.
Right.
He goes, once value exceeds price, money won't be an issue no more. I think that's what he said.
Come on.
Pretty much give them so much value.
That's true.
That they don't care about the price.
That's true.
Hey, there you go. Hey, but we'll make an update of your prices in a
Okay.
couple months, see where you're at. All right, man. So another tip, something else people want to know is the equipment. How did you buy all this? And do people need a van and all this to get started in the car detailing business, in your opinion? Because I know you go hard, bro.
All right, so starting off, you don't need all this. This is just my personal, I'm an all-in type of person. You can start off with a minivan. You can start off with your sedan, throw your water tank, put your seats down, you know, work with what you got, you guys. You just got to get it in. When you're seeing all these guys on YouTube have all this stuff, sometimes it makes you feel like it's not enough, but it's not about that. How good, you can have all this equipment and you don't even know what you're doing out there. You know what I mean? That don't mean nothing. Get out there, do a good job, and you're gonna get business.
And where should people buy equipment from? You know, Craigslist, the guy down the street, Home Depot, or do you think they should go to a professional shop?
You know what? Me, I used to be about all used, but now I'm really big on a warranty and new. That's me, because stuff breaks down all the time, you guys. And it feels good to be able to go back in that shop like, here you go, I need another one.
That's one thing, I'm very glad you said that, because it's the same thing with the t-shirt business. I hate when people say, hey, I got this vinyl cutter from Craigslist or this and that, and then they hit me up saying, wait, there's something wrong with it. Could you help me fix it? And I'm like, no, hit up the company, because they have more knowledge, and most likely they have the parts you need. Oh, well, I bought it off somebody, it doesn't have warranty. But anyways though, I'm the same way, bro. Buy new, or at least buy something that still has warranty. And now, what the people really want to know, man, the ultimate, wait, before we tell you the ultimate tip, where can people find more information about you, man?
You can find more information about me on Facebook at Wayne Hunter. You can find me on YouTube, Hunter's Mobile Detailing, Hunter's Vending on YouTube. You can find me on Yelp under Hunter's Mobile Detailing. You can find me, just Google me, man. Hey, just Google me.
I'll put everything below, all right? And now, the ultimate tip is the bathroom situation.
Oh my gosh.
You ever have to,
what
do you do, bro? You go to the customer, or you get a cup and take care of business, or?
We got a whole bunch of different options, you guys.
Yeah.
All right, we got, you know, some customers I read them and see if they're comfortable with me. And if I see they're comfortable, they're out there conversating with me, I'm like, can I go to the bathroom? That's one. Two, I make sure I empty out my water bottle and I close my doors back here. If you got a big van, you got to do what you got to do.
Hey, let me ask you. You ever knock at a customer's door, ask if you could use the restroom, and they'd be like, nah.
I haven't gotten that.
Okay.
I haven't, but
you read them first.
I read them first, yeah.
Okay.
Because I think that I hurt my feelings if somebody did that, man.
Yeah. Would you ever leave the job and go to a store or something to use the restroom? Or you try sticking at the job? You know?
I try to stick it out, you guys. I may take a little break and run around. I wonder what people think of me when they look out their windows. Because I be running around, take a little jog, and I'll come back. But I hate leaving a job because time is money. And that little 10, 15 minutes to drive somewhere, I don't like that, bro.
Hey, so make sure you take care of business before a job or right after a job. We'll carry one of those big gulp, all right? So Wayne, any other tips? I know you mentioned invest in yourself.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So I'm really big with investing in yourself and advertisement. You have to make sure you put yourself on Google Business so that you can get the 5-star reviews. That's big, because the customers, they're gonna look at the reviews and they're gonna be like, oh, he has 100 5-star reviews. Oh, look at all the reviews. They're reading everything. And that's how I get most of my business. 2, Facebook, Instagram, ads on Instagram, Facebook ads. Then you got Google, what is it called? Google AdSense?
Yeah, Google Ads.
Google Ads.
Hey, let me ask you, how much money are you putting into all those ads?
Well, I do one at a time, so I'll pick one for the month. So I pay about a good, I want to say from 500 to 1,000 is what I'm spending.
But you're making it back.
But I'm making that back in one day. So that's nothing compared to what's coming in.
Hey, well, Wayne, I just want to say I appreciate those tips for beginners. Hopefully that motivates people to go out there, get started with whatever they have. And if you enjoyed this video, this car detailing knowledge, press the like button. Don't forget to subscribe. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye, everybody.